kular hakani kesni. Mangantrai hok yaki kamjong. Hok do.
Kikubor kapatisi TV.
Manu Snem daki lakbon ki bakwa penpinda ke MBBS Henry Kindiat e ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo e ki kot bat ki e-materials kindon ru ki mock test ban penkrai api na kabenda ka NEET.
Kajila Meghalaya kanyo e Jingkylla ka bakrau ha kardan jang ka performance grading index na kabenta usnam aja pun riu at pinyo ong Myntri ka Tnat Puthi ka sarkar jilla uba rekomendam boy ha khandai tarik ujal liu aja pun riu. Tak apa pensiong nong rem ya ka Jingkylla ka bala kami lenti haki Jingkylla haki pras nam lalenyo uba remboi uloong bak sarkar kala phai khaman ban penklanya ka nong rem jong ka Puthi om tambanya be syaka thong banyo ya kradan basalor haka performance grading index.
See, this is a very I feel that this issue it is very good to discuss, not only discuss, moreover to see is that whether the government have done anything or not. That is the moot point. Now, have the government addressed this thing? The reply is yes. Yes, because that successively year, there is always the improvement of the scores. I'm very sure that in the next PGI score 2026-27 our rank will be improved drastically, because what we have done in the last 8 years, it is unprecedented. Not to address the PGI, it is to address the quality education, to address the welfare of the student, to address the welfare of the teachers, to address the accessibility, to address everything. So we have to work hard, and work hard not only today, we have to work hard every day. We are in a position to work hard, whether officers, whether teachers, whether administrators, we have to work hard. Because don't look PGI as a score, look at the school, how to improve the education system, because our core issue is to keep the quality education to our students.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.